One of the challenges that we had was how to grow our YouTube channel. Believe it or not, our channel grew like crazy. The views are 2.8 million plus and it's growing rapidly. Hello everyone. This is Ramesh Danta with the AI Entrepreneurs community, a community of 62,000 plus subscribers. And if you are new here, please click that subscribe button and then you can become a member for free. Today, I'm excited to share something that we've been doing recently for our community, especially on the video side. So once you subscribe to our newsletter or the YouTube channel where we publish a lot of new information, you will never miss any new information about AI, events, news, or anything that's going on in the AI space. So with that, let me get straight into something that I wanted to share with you. So I would like to walk through a fantastic tool that we've been using to optimize our YouTube channel. And that has been a game changer. And the tool is called Full Score. And I will actually walk you through this Full Score tool and how we have been using. So now, without much further delay, let me actually start sharing my screen and I will share this information with you. Okay, so first, let me share with you this our website, standout.digital. And this is the home page where we have a community. As I mentioned, 62,000 members come here. And within that, I wanted to take you to newsletter and where we have been publishing, 3 times a week on everything to do with the AI. And we also publish podcasts and then we also publish the videos to the YouTube. So one of the challenges that we had with our YouTube channel was how to grow our channel. And that is where we ran into this outstanding tool called fullscore.digital. So that's where we are on this website right now, fullscore.digital. And it does analyze, optimize, and grow our YouTube channel. And let's see how we can get in. So right here's the login button that you see, and it doesn't ask you for a credit card, which is good. And then you just go and register and for free. Okay. So I've already logged into our account, and that is where the magic I would like to share with you. And this is the website. And if you look at the top of the website that I'm sharing here, so the AI Entrepreneurs, and that is our YouTube channel. And so it gives you our channel statistics. We have 383 videos. I cannot believe we have a 380 plus videos and 10,400 subscribers. And believe it or not, literally a month or two ago, we were way less than 10,400 subscribers. So our channel grew like crazy. And one of the reasons is we've been using tools like Full Score Digital. And the views are 2.8 million plus, and it's growing rapidly. So that's what this website right here. You get some basic information about your YouTube channel. So once you're signed up, so what it does is it basically it does an audit of your YouTube channel. And once it does the audit, and it gives you information about your audit. Okay, right off the bat, you can see the dashboard that gives a comprehensive overview of our channel analytics and key video optimization needs. So right here, so views and subscribers, how they've been growing, how the channel engagement is happening that you see here. And then this is where right below the optimizations that we need for our channel. As you can see, green means we're doing good. Red is where we have not been doing good. So obviously we have a lot of work to do here. Our end cards and add subscriber links, all of them are missing in quite a few of the videos. They would like us to add them. So I will go work on that one. And then statistics. So this again is a last month statistics. So as you can see, so we have grown substantially just in the last 4 to I would say 8 weeks. Okay, our subscriptions have gone up, and our weekly uploads, we have been putting out a lot more stuff. So all this information is right there, and it instantly identifies our best performing videos. But most importantly, it flags and shows key areas where you can improve our videos for better YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, and growth. Okay, that's what the audit will show you, and it can show you exactly which ones need titles, which ones need tags and descriptions and all that good stuff. And so initially our titles were not that great, and so we've been really at it and to optimize the titles. So it was actually almost at the minimum score when we started, in the all red. But with full score, we use the AI credits. So right off the bat, so there are some credits that you could buy on the left hand side that I'm showing you. So we got some credits, and then you could start optimizing them using the tool itself. It's just not the audit, but it's a tool to help you optimize. So now with the AI, it gives you the AI suggested new catchy video titles that better represented the videos and the content inside it. And we actually had a few old videos perform better after changing the video titles. So nothing we have changed except the titles, and then so they started performing better. Okay, and so the underperforming videos come back to life with the metadata and all that. So then, for example, I wanted to show you one video. For a look at this top 5 videos history. So moving on to SEO, YouTube is the second largest search engine right after Google. The full score offers a self-serve as well, something that you could do for yourself. The AI driven tool that helps you craft the perfect metadata. Okay, this means your video titles, descriptions, and even hashtags are optimized to help you rank higher and reach a broader audience. Another incredible feature is seeing our best performing days, right? Which days are better performing. So if you look at this one, right, so where it's been growing, so that it shows you. And this insight allows us to strategically plan our content. Also calculating the estimated time to manually fix all issues, how much time it takes. It's clear we would never manage without full score whatever we've been doing than the AI credits. If you ever get stuck or need more personalized guidance, full score also provides access to YouTube experts, right? It's not just a do it yourself. They also have a done for you service. They offer support, training, and consultations to really ramp up and your channel growth. You can simply reach the full score team and ask them to help with your video thumbnails or end screens, or if you have technical questions, they'll help you. And they're fast and very knowledgeable. That's how we were able to really get our help within the last month or so. So we have seen a lot of AI tools. We've been playing with them, and because that's what we do for a living, and have had many pitch to us. But honestly, there is none that have actually let us see a tangible difference with our channel, as you have seen within the last 4 to 6 weeks with our own YouTube channel. So there are 3 things, right? So I was talking about. Number one is that it's free to register, and it uses AI to fix your video titles and tags and descriptions and hashtags. The AI is the rage nowadays. And the team behind Full Score are experts and are ex-YouTube managers. So that's why they know the ins and outs of it. And you can reach them directly once you've signed up for it. And so I wanted to show you this video that, for example, we had one on NVIDIA that has been outperforming. Okay, so this is the one, the top 5 videos. So I can click on it. And then if you look at it, has done one and 1 month ago. Okay, so that is one, and it automatically identified the top 5 videos for us. And then so we could go and see what has been working with these videos, why they have been outperforming, and then we can do rinse and repeat for the rest of the videos as well. So there you are, a great tool to give you audit and then help you fix your YouTube channel by yourself. But at the same time, if you need help, they also have professional experts. It's free to sign up, and an automated audit is right there. And so what we have done is we worked with them to get you awesome discount. Was happy to offer a 30% discount to any credits that you might buy to our viewers. So you can use voucher code AI30. Okay, so that code is also there in the description down below. So AI30 is the code that you want to use to get 30% discount and sign up to the monthly or yearly offer with a 30% discount. So you can buy credits or you can sign up for the monthly service our yearly service. And the roadmap is exciting. So we are in discussions with them, things that we want they have on the roadmap. So if you're really excited about YouTube channel and then your videos that you want to optimize, so Full Score Digital is the tool. So click the link in the description, visit fullscore.digital to sign up for your free audit today and use voucher code AI30 to get 30% discount to access all the optimizations. Okay, it's very quick and easy to do. And before you go on, please, if you like this video, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be bringing out more content like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment in the comment section below. So with that, I hope you really like it. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. And so let us know how it's been going. All right. With that, I'm going to stop sharing now. And so that is it for today about your YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.